Determine the slope of the line given 2 points. Pag sinabi nating slope, what does it mean? So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng slope? Pag sinabi nating slope, sinusukat natin yung steepness. So, steepness. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng steepness? So, susukatin natin yung pagiging slant or yung inclination ng ating line. So, di ba, kung meron tayong line, kung siya ay naka-slant position or naka-incline, no? Susukatin natin yung kanyang steepness in terms of slope. So, we have here 2 points. So, identify muna natin what are these 2 points or i-plot natin yung mga 2 points na given na to. So, we have here negative 3 and 5. So, hanapin natin yung negative 3 at 5. So, tingnan lang natin saan ang negative 3 sa x-axis. Ito. And then, hanapin natin yung positive 5. So, ibig sabihin, we move 5 units upward. So, saan ang positive 5? Ayun. So, yun yung ating negative 3, 5. Now, let us name this as point 1. So, ang pangalan dito is point 1. Next, let's find yung another point. We have here 2 at 7. So, hanapin natin yung positive 2 sa x-axis. Ito yung 2. And then, positive 7 sa y-axis. So, 7 units upward. So, ito. So, yun yung ating second point. So, lagyan natin. Let us name this point as point number 2. So, ngayon, kung meron tayong dalawang point, makakabuo na ba tayo ng line? Sige, i-check natin. I-connect nga natin tong 2 points na to. So, to connect these 2 points, no, ayos lang natin. So, connect natin silang dalawa. Yan. So, dahil na-connect na natin, lagyan lang natin ng arrowhead sa dulo. On both ends, ibig sabihin, continuous yung line natin in both direction. So, it means na using 2 points, you can form a line. So, nakabuo tayo ng line. So, dito, ano ba yung i-solve natin? So, hahanapin natin yung steepness or yung inclination or yung slant nung ating yung ating line. So, yun yung ating susukatin, yung slope. So, ano nga ba yung formula natin in getting slope? So, yung formula natin is equal to m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, pangalanan muna natin kanina. This would be our point 1. This would be our point 2. Okay, sa point 1, let us name yung ating mga coordinates. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating x-coordinate, so yung x-coordinate natin, let us name this as x sub 1. And yung y-coordinate natin, let us name this as y sub 1. Tapos, sa point 2, pangalanan natin yung first coordinate, yung x, no, ng x sub 2. Tapos, yung 7, papangalanan natin, ito yung ating y sub 2. Now, dahil na pangalanan natin lahat ng mga coordinates natin, ngayon ilagay na natin siya dun sa ating formula. So, m is equal to, ano ba yung value ng y sub 2 natin? So, that is 7 minus, ano yung y sub 1? That is 5. Susulat ko. So, that is minus 5 all over x sub 2. Ang x sub 2 natin is 2 minus, okay, ano yung ating x sub 1? That is negative 3. So, ilagay natin dito. We have negative 3. Don't forget, dahil may sign itong negative, huwag kalimutan yung close parenthesis para hindi kayo magkamali. Then, simplify natin. So, subtract natin yung numerator. 7 minus 5 equals 2. All over, so dito, ano bang rule natin pag tayo ay nagsusubtract? So, pag nagsusubtract tayo, laging ganito ang way natin ng pagsusubtract. Una, copy mo yung first term. So, copy mo yung first term. And then, i-change natin yung, ang operation is subtraction. So, change natin yung ating subtraction to addition. So, i-change natin yan to addition. And then, yung ating negative 3, change naman natin yung kanyang sign. Diba, ang sign nito ay negative, ano yung opposite? Again, yung subtraction, change mo ng positive. Change, then opposite sign. Tandaan? Change, negative, or subtraction to positive. Then change yung second term, yung second term, change your second term dun sa kanyang opposite sign. So, change natin. Again, change yung subtraction to positive or yung plus sign. Then, yung second term, kukunin mo lang yung opposite sign. So, ano pa yung opposite sign natin? So, yung opposite na sign ng minus 3 or negative 3. So, that is positive 3. Okay? So, ilagay natin 2 plus positive 3. So, isulat natin na maayos. So, 2 plus, no need na to put yung positive 3, automatic 2 plus 3. So, automatic plus 3 na yan. So, simplify pa natin. We have 2 all over 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. So, that means, ang slope daw natin, m, is equal to 2 over 5. So, i-check natin kung ito ba talaga, i-check natin kung ito ba talaga yung sagot natin using yung other formula. We have yung other formula na m is equal to rise. So, i-rise yung vertical distance from point 1 to point 2. Tapos, yung run natin, yung horizontal distance from point 1 to point 2. So, tingnan natin dun sa ating graph. So, dito, hahanapin lang natin muna yung kanyang rise. Or run muna hanapin natin. So, run. Hanapin natin, pag sinabing run, yung yung horizontal distance rather. So, yung horizontal distance, tingin ka along the x-axis. Horizontal distance from point 1 to point 2. So, ang tanong, ilan ba yung distance niya? Sige, palitan natin yung kulay natin. So, we're gonna use yung orange para kita lalo. So, tingnan natin yung distance dito from point 1 to point 2. So, ilan yung distance from point 1 to point 2? So, bilangin natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. Tapos, ilan naman yung ating rise? So, yung vertical distance from point 1 to point 2. Gaano kalayo ba yung point 1 to point 2? Bibilangin mo lang siya kung gaano kalayo. So, we have here yung, ayusin natin. So, 2. So, that is 2. So, this would be yung ating rise, yung vertical distance from point 1 to point 2. Ito naman yung ating run na horizontal distance from point 1 to point 2. Then, substitute natin dun sa ating equation, no? So, yung ating rise is 2. Yung run natin is 5. So, the question is, the same ba yung nakuha nating sagot doon sa ating sinolve? Yes, the same. So, that means, so tama yung ating slope na 2 over 5. So, mapapansin ninyo na ang slope natin is positive. So, what does it mean kapag positive ang slope natin? So, positive slope, what does it mean? Anong ibig sabihin? Paki-describe nga. So, pag sinabi nating m or yung slope natin is positive, paki-describe nga kung ano yung nakita ninyong itsura ng line natin. Okay, sulat ko lang to. This is positive. So, makikita mo na yung line natin ay what? The line rises to the right. So, increasing to the right, no? The line rises or increasing siya. The line rises to the right. In other words, yung line natin, no, increasing to the right or increasing from left to right. So, yun yung characteristic or yun yung itsura ng ating line. So, increasing to the right. Positive slope means increasing to the right. So, this would be our final answer for example number 1. Yung slope is 2/5.